Now we want to look at surface areas of cones, and this is section 12.5. Continue our surface area, extending our surface area. Surface area of cones is very similar to the surface area of pyramids, just like prisms and cylinders were similar. The main difference is the base of a cone is a what? It's a circle. Okay? The base of a cone is a circle. Now, a couple little other differences that we'll come to. One of the main things that is the same between pyramids and cones is that we still need to know what the slant height is. Okay? If you remember, this being a pyramid, the pyramid had polygon as its base. This is a square pyramid because the base is a square, and it had triangles as lateral faces. If slant height was the height from the vertex to the center of one of the sides, or the altitude of one of the triangles. Now, slant height of the cone is basically similar. Okay? It's the distance from the vertex, or the tip of the cone, okay, the small end of the cone, perpendicular to the circle. Okay? So we draw a line that's perpendicular. Again, if you'll notice, that is a slant height. Okay? It's not the altitude of the cone. It's not the height of the cone. The height of the cone would be from the center of the base, or the circle, to the vertex perpendicular, okay, to that base. That would be the altitude or the height of that cone. Now, the slant height is just like on the pyramid. It's from the tip of the cone, or the vertex of the cone, to an edge on the circle of the base. Okay? And that's the slant height, measured the same way as we measured for a cone. Okay? So that's the main difference. The lateral surface area is equal to pi r L, where r is radius and L is the slant height, which we're familiar with off pyramids. Total surface area equals the lateral surface area plus B. B being the area of the base. We only have one B, not two, like on prisms. We only have one. And the area of this particular base is very simple. It's pi r squared. So, translating that, the total surface area of a cone equals pi r L plus pi r squared. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Dealing with circular items is fairly straightforward. Equations seem to be a little more difficult for some people, but it's fairly straightforward because they're fixed. We don't have a variable base. With a pyramid and with the prisms, the bases can change depending on the polygon that's used for that particular prism. Okay, let's go over it one more time. Surface area of cones is very similar to the surface area of pyramids. The main difference is the base of a cone is a circle. LSA, lateral surface area of a cone, is pi r L. Okay? TSA, total surface area, is LSA plus B, or the base. Total surface area is pi r L plus pi r squared. L is the slant height.